asked Emily. Don't you know? Emily whistled. Percy told me. Edward told Percy. James told Edward. And you told James, huffed Emily. But I only said to James that I'd seen Neville with Harry and Bert. Then Toby arrived.
Have you heard about Neville? Did you enter talk? Thanks for Harry and Bert harvesting him in the yard.
Emily was shocked. Thomas couldn't believe it. Neville wasn't friends with the Diesels after all. Where was Neville going, Emily tooted. Cinders and ashes, cried Thomas. Neville's heading for the broken bridge. I must stop him. Neville was speeding through the countryside as fast as he could. Suddenly, Neville saw a barrel on the track. He slammed on his brakes. But it's too late. Neville was in terrible trouble. He was on the broken end of the bridge. Thomas knew it was all his fault. Suddenly, he had an idea. Thomas steamed slowly and carefully onto the bridge.